Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share screen on the Zoom application on mobile. Open the Zoom application on your mobile device and join the meeting you want to share to your screen in. Once you are in the meeting, you will see the meeting interface on your screen. Look for the menu bar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you will find different options for interacting with the meeting. Among the options on the menu bar, locate the Share button and tap on this button to proceed. After tapping on the Share button, a list of sharing options will appear. Look for the option labeled Screen and tap on it. This will initiate screen sharing, allowing others in the meeting to see what is on your screen. Once you have selected the screen option, your screen will start to broadcast to other participants in the meeting. This means that everything displayed on your screen, including notifications, will be visible to others. Now that your screen is being broadcasted, you can show whatever content you want to share with the other participants. This could be documents, presentations, websites, or anything else visible on your screen. If you need to stop screen sharing or switch to a different type of content, tap on the Share button again to access the sharing menu. From the sharing menu, choose the platform or application you want to share. This could be another application on your device or a specific platform integrated with Zoom, such as a messaging application or a social media platform. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.